Hello children, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. So today what we are doing from grade 4, the Hindi lesson name is Sundar Kaun. Sundar means beautiful, Kaun means who. Who is beautiful? Okay, so let's start. This is very nice lesson. It's in this, just they are telling you should not tell anything bad in your body. Okay, what and all you have some purpose for that. Correct, right? So like that they are telling in this. So let's start. Everyone open page number 106. सब आप अपने किताब निकाले और पेज नंबर 106 निकाले. ठीक है, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सुंदर कौन? हु इज ब्यूटीफुल? किसी जंगल में एक बारहसिंह अपने परिवार के साथ रहता था. इन वन जंगल देयर वाज अ बारहसिंह. बारहसिंह मीन्स द रेनडीर. The reindeer will called as a barasingh. He was living in jungle with his family. एक दिन की बात है कि वहां घूमते घूमते दूर निकल गया. One day he was roaming and he went very far. परिवार के बाकी सब बारहसिंह पीछे छूट गए. So when he was going, he's not seeing backside at all. He's just going. Okay, that time his family members left behind only. He has left behind only. Like that he was going. बारहसिंह बहुत दौड़ चुका था. He ran too much. उसे प्यास लगी थी. He was thirsty. वहां इधर उधर पानी खोजने लगा. He is searching for the water. Obviously, right? Whenever you are thirsty, you need a water. Correct? That too, whenever you'll just do any exercise after running, after playing, that time you will get thirsty, right? That time please don't drink water. Just sit for 10 minutes. After that you drink a water. Okay? So प्यास लगी थी. He was thirsty. वहां इधर उधर, here and there, पानी खोजने लगा. He started searching for the water. तभी उसे एक सरोवर दिखाई पड़ा. That time only he saw one lake. सरोवर means a lake. स्वच्छ नीले जल से लबालब भरा था सरोवर. So that lake water was blue color and a very pure water, like that. They are just describing it. बारहसिंह पानी पीने लगा. He started drinking the water. बारहसिंह पानी पीने लगा. He started drinking water. प्यास बुझने पर प्रसन्न मन से उसने शीशे से चमकते पानी में अपनी परछाई देखी. Now he was thirsty, right? Now he is okay, fine, I drank water. He is very happy now. Like चमकते पानी, the water is shining. Obviously, when the sun is on the top, sun is in the afternoon. If you are there, obviously the water will be shining only, right? Like that. When it was shining, he just saw his face in the water. परछाई means what? His shadow. देखी, he saw. वाह, मैं कितना सुंदर हूं. Wow, how beautiful I am. मेरे सिंग तो बहुत ही सुंदर हैं. My horns are very beautiful. He is just telling to himself. Okay, the बारहसिंह is telling, वाह, मेरे कितने सुंदर सिंग हैं. पेड़ की डालियों की तरह चारों तरफ फैले हुए. वाह, क्या बात है. So like the branches in the tree, how the branches will be spreading, like that my horns are. Like that he is just praising himself. Yeah, that is also good, right? Not a bad thing. Next, बारहसिंह मन ही मन मुग्ध होता हुआ अपने सौंदर्य की प्रशंसा कर रहा था. He is just praising himself. He is just praising himself. Yes, my horn is like this. Yes, like that. He is just praising himself. तभी उसकी दृष्टि अपने पैरों पर गई. That time only his eyesight went to his leg. पैरों means legs. टेढ़ी मेढ़ी टांगे देखी तो दुखी हो गया. His legs are not like a straight, because obviously the legs are how it will be. The reindeer legs you can see. टेढ़ी मेढ़ी, it's not like a straight. टेढ़ी मेढ़ी means the crooked one, like this. Right? That one will call it as a teddy medi. He saw his legs, that was a crooked one, not a straight one. ये दुबले पतले पांव कितने बदसूरत हैं. He said, my legs are very thin. My legs are very thin. एंड कि बदसूरत है, बदसूरत है मीन्स अगली. द रेनडियर इज टेलिंग टू हिज लेग्स ओनली, माई लेग्स आर नॉट good at all, my legs are not beautiful, but my horns are very good, very beautiful. Like that he is thinking. सुंदर सिंगों की शोभा भी कम कर रहा है. Because of these legs, this beauty of this, it's getting down, it seems. Okay, so next पढ़ते हैं पेज नंबर 107. कुछ दिन बीते, after some days, बारासिंह ऊंची घास में से कोमल तृण चुन चुन कर खा रहा था. After some days, he was just roaming and he was eating komal trun chun chun kar. Trun means the grass. Okay, so he was just eating what and all. The up grass will be there, no? The up grass will be very soft grass, right? That one. Trun, komal trun, the soft grass. He's searching and he's eating. Chun chun kar kha raha tha. He was searching. He was just picking the nice soft grass and he was eating. तभी उसे कुछ खटका लगा. That time only he just felt something, literally something bad like that. जंगल के कई पशु इधर उधर भाग रहे थे. In jungle, jungle means the forest. In forest, all the animals were running here and there. बारासिंह भी भागने लगा. He also started running. एक शिकारी उनके पीछे था. शिकारी means hunter. One hunter was attacking him, all the animals. For obviously a hunter will come to the forest to attack the animals, right? But that is not good, right? सब अपने प्राण बचाकर भाग रहे थे. Everyone were running because they has to save their life, right? So everyone are running. So that time also Barasingh also started running. बारासिंह भागता भागता दूर निकल गया. He running and he went little far. अचानक घनी झाड़ियों में उसके सिंग उलझ गए. घनी झाड़ियों means the what we can say the घनी means the hard bushes. Jhadiya means the bushes. Okay, घनी झाड़ियां means we don't have the place over there. Okay, the very hard bushes we can say. उसके सिंग उलझ गए. उसके सिंग, the horn stuck into that bushes. बारासिंह जोर लगाने लगा पर उसके सिंग तो उलझते ही जा रहे थे. He wants to take out that horns, right? But then also he's just trying himself very hardly. But then also it's getting stuck little more only. It's not coming out at all. उसकी हर कोशिश असफल रही. What and all he is trying, but it's got wasted. उसके सुंदर सिंह झाड़ियों में ऐसे फंस गए थे कि निकलना कठिन था. His beautiful horns were stuck in that bushes. It's very difficult to take out. Like that it got stuck. बारासिंह डर के मारे कांपने लगा means he started shivering because of fear. उसने मन में सोचा मेरे सुंदर सिंह ही मेरी मृत्यु का कारण होंगे. So if I'll die also, the reason will be my beautiful sing only. Like that he is thinking. मृत्यु means death. बारासिंह घबराहट में पैर पटकने लगा. He is in fear, right? He started hitting on the floor. He started hitting on the ground. पटकने means hitting. उसके मजबूत पैरों से झाड़ी टूट गई. Because of his strong legs, the झाड़ी, that bushes were started breaking. उसने और जोर लगाया. He started giving more force to it because he got it. Okay, fine, my legs are very strong now. Like that he is getting this paragraph. He said my legs are very worst, very ugly, right? But now because of his legs only, he will come out of the bushes like that. Okay, झाड़ी जड़ से उखड़ गई. That bushes came out with the root. So that much strong he has the legs like that. उसके सिंग झाड़ी से छूट गए. The horns came out from the bushes. बारासिंह सिर पर पैर रखकर भागा. बारासिंह सिर पर पैर रखकर भागा. It's a idiom. It's a proverb. Like whenever if he started running very fast. Okay, like that. Because he wants to go from there. Because he's stuck and he thought, okay, maybe I will die like that and all. Then he tried with the legs. Then he got out. So he started running very fast. अब वहां शिकारी की पहुंच से बाहर था. Now he can't able to reach to the hunter. That much far he was. उसने लंबी सांस ली. He just took a deep breath. अपने पैरों का धन्यवाद किया. He just said thanks to my legs, thanks to his legs. धन्यवाद, thanks. Giving a thanks. Just himself, he is just doing himself. उसने कहा, he said, धन्यवाद मेरे मजबूत पैरों. Thank you so much my strong legs. आज तुम ही ने मेरे प्राणों की रक्षा की है. Today you only saved my life. These legs only saved his life. So, what is the moral of the story? सुंदर है वह जो मंगल करे. Who is beautiful, they will always bless you. Right? सुंदर है वह जो समय पर काम आए. So, the beautiful is ones where, if they will say, right, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Like that. You are in any situation, any tough situation, who will help? That is only the beautiful. Like that they are telling in this. Okay. So next क्या है यहाँ पे अभ्यास देखेंगे. The textbook exercise. सरोवर, तालाब, pond, प्रशंसा, तारीफ, praise, लबालब, पूरा भरा हुआ, full till brim, means full of that water, that lake. तृण, तिनका, a blade of grass, परछाई, छाया, shadow, शिकारी, पशु पक्षियों को मारने वाला, हंटर, मंगल, कल्याण, ऑस्पिशियस, मुग्ध, मोहित, फैसिनेटेड. मुहावरे, मुहावरे मीन्स द इडियम्स और द प्रोवर्ब. सिर पर पैर रखकर भागना, तेजी से भागना, रनिंग वेरी फास्ट. पहुंच से बाहर होना, पकड़ में न आना. सो नो वन कैन रीच यू, लाइक दैट. सो मौखिक क्वेश्चंस है यहाँ पे, प्रश्नों के उत्तर दो. मौखिक, बारा सिंह कहाँ रहता था? बारा सिंह जंगल में रहता था. बारा सिंह सरोवर पर क्यों गया? पानी पीने के लिए गया. बारा सिंह को कैसे पता चला कि उसके सिंग सुंदर हैं? जब वो अपनी परछाई पानी में देखा तब उसको पता चला कि उसके सिंग बहुत सुंदर हैं. पाठ का वह अनुच्छेद पढ़ो जिसमें उसने अपने फंसे सिंगों से झाड़ी से निकाली. सो द पैराग्राफ विल बी दिस. So how he took out his horns, right? So in this paragraph only we have, right? And the next is बारा सिंह डर से क्यों कांपने लगा? Why he started shivering? Because he thought he will die, right? अपनी मृत्यु के डर से. लिखित क्वेश्चन, राइटिंग क्वेश्चंस. बारा सिंह किस पर मुग्ध हुआ और क्यों? Why he is fascinated about and why? This one, right? In this only. मुग्ध हुआ, yes, this one only. In this only it's there, please. बारा सिंह अपनी सुंदरता में किस कमी को देखकर उदास हुआ? बारा सिंह अपनी सुंदरता में, he is beautiful in which he was not beautiful. Why he was very sad? That one. So that one also in this. Yes, the first answer is in this. Second answer is in this. Next. बारा सिंह के सिंग कहाँ फंस गए और वहां उनसे कैसे निकल आया? Where the horn got stuck and how he came out of that. अंत में बारा सिंह ने किसे धन्यवाद दिया? Lastly, to whom he thanked. Then नीचे लिखे वाक्यों को पूरा करो. बारा सिंह घूमते घूमते दूर निकल गया. Here I just given the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you please write it over here neatly. बारा सिंह मन ही मन अपने सौंदर्य की प्रशंसा कर रहा था. थर्ड वन, बारा सिंह के सिंग झाड़ी में उलझ गए. फोर्थ वन, उसके मजबूत पैरों से झाड़ी टूट गई. फिफ्थ वन, उसने अपने पैरों को धन्यवाद दिया. अनेक शब्दों के लिए एक शब्द, वन वर्ड फॉर मेनी. बारा सिंह हो जिसके 12 सिंह. नेक्स्ट, मैच द फॉलोइंग. घने पेड़ों से भरा स्थान, जंगल. Where we have the dense forest, right? The big trees and all. That is forest, jungle. घर के सब लोग, परिवार. All the members of the dash family. जहां पढ़ने जाते हैं, where we will go for study, that is विद्यालय, school. जहां इलाज के लिए जाते हैं, where we'll go for the treatment, that is अस्पताल, hospital. जहां पशुओं को रखते हैं, where we will keep the animals, that is पशुशाला, animal farm or animal hut we can say, right? Next, सभी स्वर क्रम से लिखो. You have to just write all the vowels. A, A, I, Rishabh, this is Rishabh, and this is Mrug. U, Ri, E, I, O, Au, Aha. Next, read and write in a good hand. You have to just write these words. Just you have to copy these words. Mrug, Drushti, Truna, Rishabh, Ritu, Rishi. Okay. So then what we have say? Ab dekho. This one is very important, children. Here only, if you are perfect in this, then only if your teacher will give any words to you to write, that time you can write easily. So that one you have to know which matra is coming, which matra, कौन सी मात्रा लगा रहे हो आप, कौन से लेटर को, कौन से व्यंजन को कौन सी मात्रा लगा रहे हो, कौन सा स्वर आ रहा है, ये सब यहाँ पे जानना बहुत जरूरी है. तो प्लीज इसमें ध्यान में रखिए, पढ़िए. ऋषभ, मृग, तृण, दृष्टि, मृत्यु. Then here anuswar. So what this one will called as a anuswar and this one will called as a अनुनासिक. इसको हम अनुस्वार बोलते हैं, इसको हम अनुनासिक बोलते हैं. तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक एक वर्ड को अनुस्वार और अनुनासिक दिए गए हैं, यहाँ पे किसी को नहीं दिए गए हैं, तो आपको जस्ट लगाना है. जंगल, प्रशंसा, सुंदर, लंबी, मंगल, पांव, सांस, ऊंची, पहुंच, कांपना. ओके. एंड देन पेज नंबर 111 विलोम शब्दों के जोड़े बनाओ. मेक पेयर्स ऑफ अपोजिट्स. हियर ऑल क्वेश्चंस आर देयर, हियर ऑल आंसर्स आर देयर. पीछे, आगे, कोमल, कठोर, प्रशंसा, निंदा, मजबूत, कमजोर, नीची, ऊंची, मृत्यु, जीवन, सुंदर, असुंदर, सफल, असफल, बदसूरत, खूबसूरत, दुखी, सुखी, स्वच्छ, अस्वच्छ, कठिन, सरल. I'll just tell only this part and this part, the translation. This part you will get it. पीछे, back, कोमल, soft, प्रशंसा, praise, मजबूत, strong, नीची, down, मृत्यु, death, सुंदर, beautiful, सफल, success, बदसूरत, ugly, दुखी, sad, स्वच्छ, clean, कठिन, tough. Next here, complete the sentence using these words. इन शब्दों से वाक्य पूरे करो. शेर, हाथी और बारहसिंह भाग रहे थे. I have just written here क, ख, the first one, second one, third one. I have just given here 1, 2, 3, 4, so you'll get easily. शेर, हाथी और बारहसिंह भाग रहे थे. बारहसिंह के सींग फंस गए थे, इसलिए वह भाग न पाया. आज प्राण बचेंगे या जाएंगे. बारहसिंह पकड़ा जाता क्योंकि वह भाग न सकता था. उनके सींग सुंदर थे परंतु पैर बदसूरत. और परंतु इसलिए या क्योंकि आदि शब्द योजक कहलाते हैं. योजक. These all grammar parts, children, you have to remember it. सही शब्द चुनकर कहानी पूरी करो. Complete the story with using the correct words. Already they have given the words in this, right? So, एक मछली तालाब में तैर रही थी. मछली means the fish. मछली सुनहरे रंग की थी. सुनहरे means the golden color. The fish was in golden color. उसे अपनी सुंदरता पर बहुत घमंड था. He was very arrogant with his beauty. वह सबसे अलग अलग रहती थी. He used to live alone, like alone from everyone. किसी से बात तक नहीं करती थी. She not to used to talk with anyone. एक दिन वहां गेंद पानी की धारा में चली गई. एक दिन वहां गंदे पानी की धारा में चली गई. One day she just went in one where गंदे पानी की धारा. गंदा means the what we can say the bad water, the dirty water. There she went. उसका सुनहरा रंग फीका पड़ गया. That time the सुनहरा रंग, that golden color, it went out. उसने जब पानी में अपनी परछाई देखी तो बहुत उदास हो गई. When she saw her shadow in the water, that time she became very sad. उसने सोचा अब मैं मिलजुल कर रहूंगी. Now she thought, okay fine, let me be with everyone. That is what the story about. Okay, that's it, children, about this chapter. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe.